Hello everyone, this is where I'm at on this batch of CPM 154 knives I've been working on. Got everything profiled out, drilled, guard slots cut. These will be getting 416 stainless steel guards. These 6 are drop point hunters, Loveless style. These 3 have the guards built in, and the fillet knives, they're ready to go. So hopefully this week I'll be able to get the tangs tapered, rough grinds in, and then get everything sent off to heat treat. So I'll keep you updated. Everybody have a good weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.